Returning to the stage is the infamous G-Shock Casioak. This time with a couple of very handy features that are new to the range. These two main features that are new in the GA-B2100 lineup include solar powered movements and Bluetooth connectivity. Maintaining all of the previous features such as the notorious octagonal bezel and the carbon core guard structure, these models are nearing their pinnacle. I really don't know what else you'd want out of a watch. It just ticks all of the boxes. The dial on these particular models also gets an upgrade, sporting a black Sunburst Dial, which adds an elevated premium finish. Looking at the face, it's hard to notice exactly where these solar panels are, but I assume it's integrated into this new Sunburst Dial. This release comes in a few different colors, the most vibrant being this yellow color, but it's also available in an olive green, navy blue, and a black monochrome variant. Look, if you're after a first watch or a one watch collection, this is the one. If previous Casioak models were great choices, then this one is perfect. The solar charging feature means very few battery replacements over the watch's lifetime, maybe once every 10 years. The Bluetooth capabilities mean you can easily change the time through an app, set reminders, and there's even a feature where you can press a button to record the current time, date, and position on a map, which is great for an activity log. These models measure in at 48.5mm lug to lug, 45.4mm wide, and 11.9mm thick. Of course, it's shock and water resistant, you all know that by now, and with its carbon and resin build, it weighs in at just 52 grams. Wearing these watches, they are a little chunky, but its weight means that it's not intrusive at all. And with the thickness being just shy of 12mm, sleeves can easily fit over it. So there it is, the new Casioak release. What do you think? Would you wear one? If you want to pick one up, click that link in the description to check it out online at watchdepot.com.au. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content similar to this one, and thanks for watching.